Welcome to No Sag Never Bored. I'm joined by
G.
and Mika, and we are on episode number 4 of Exploring Edmonton. Edmonton is a city full of surprising places. Today we're skipping out on the big names like Wem and White. Join us as we check out a few lesser-known hotspots that will be sure to make you want to get out and enjoy. We take a quick look at Century Mile Casino, visit the world's largest cowboy boot, and take in some culture on 124th Street. Century Mile Racetrack and Casino features a 1-mile racetrack with both thoroughbred and standardbred racing year-round. In addition to the track, there is a casino, bar, sports lounge, and the Derby restaurant. Conveniently located next to Edmonton International Airport, it makes a great stop on a visit to Edmonton.
Hey, I remember watching Mike and Mike on Much Music. They did all those cross-Canada adventures. They went to see a big boot, but I thought it was bigger than that. Oh wait, there it is. There it is. No, I thought it was even bigger.
I'm sure it was bigger than that.
It was bigger because he was laying down and it was like, oh, look over there. We got her. We're gonna go across the street and go find it.
Standing outside the one-stop biker shop is the world's largest cowboy boot. Completed in July 1989 for what was once the Western Boot Factory. The boot stands 39 feet and 4 inches tall. At night you can see the boot lit up with over 600 feet of neon lighting. A special thanks to the One Stop Boot Shop for letting us have our big boot moment and even taking a picture for it. 124th Street corridor starting around Jasper Avenue and 121 Street and going all the way down to 111th Avenue is a destination within Edmonton that many art galleries, boutiques, premium services, and independent restaurants all call home to. Boasting over 50 dining establishments, there are options to please every taste, from quick service bistros, cafes, and delis, all the way to fine dining establishments, all in a wide variety of global cuisine options.
Okay, so right there is the Roxy Theater. It's a really, really nice theater inside. It hosts a lot of different performing events in there. The original one burnt down years ago. I'm not sure which year it was. And the new one was rebuilt and opened last year.
Open for nearly 50 years, the Bear Claw Gallery is the go-to spot for all sorts of Canadian First Nations, Métis, and Inuit art. You can find it all here. Paintings, stone sculptures, wood carvings, clay works, as well as jewelry, crafts, and gifts. The Peter Robinson Gallery is about to reach its 20th anniversary in 2024. This contemporary art gallery has made it its mission to promote Canadian artists from different generations. The West End Gallery is another Edmonton art gallery rapidly approaching its 50th anniversary. This family-owned gallery showcases the works of leading Canadian painters and glass artists. Those bears are so cool. Those are just a few of the 124th Street Gallery District's many galleries. There are also a number of fantastic murals to be enjoyed. As G and I wandered around, we couldn't help but take a moment to enjoy a little bit of hopscotch.
I haven't done this in years, but let's give it a shot.
There's an awful lot of cool shops down 124th Street. On our way back, after passing the store Bling for the second time, we couldn't resist. We had to go in and check it out. We saw so many cool things in the window.
How much is that dog in the window? The one with the cool gold sunglasses.
We had to get you out of there though.
Only $90. Otherwise, I could have been there longer. It'd be like double.
Well, we found out how much that doggy in the window was. It was on sale, so it was a reasonable $220, but we weren't spending that today, although Goran almost did. She treated us to some donuts. These are from Destination Doughnuts on 124th Street. Oreo donut and a Reese's Pieces donut. It smells good. I can smell the peanut butter from here.
Yeah, nice and soft.
Yeah, you're right, they're soft. They're really good. Nice and fresh. How's that donut?
It was really good, but I need something to drink from that peanut butter.
We decided to check out the nearby Manchester Square, which is designed to look like a European street. On the corner of 120th Street and 107th Avenue, it wasn't far at all. Manchester Square has a distinct feel, with space for 19 shops and businesses, an outdoor fountain, free Wi-Fi, and even a hidden indoor alleyway with artistic features. We couldn't resist the temptation of freshly made pretzels though, so we went into DasBrezelHaus. Good. Wow, this is really good. As I sit here editing this, I can almost taste that pretzel. I really want another one. Jalapeno pretzel, amazing. Yeah. This pretzel place was awesome. Highly recommended. Well, that was great, and I had a great time.
It was a very fun day. We spent a lot of time, lots of great adventures that day.
And great weather, and some really good snacks too. Thanks, dog. So, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, boredom is a choice. Choose not to be bored. And stay tuned for a sneak peek.
An adventure we did at the Botanical Gardens.
See you soon.
Coming soon on No Sag is Never Bored.
G and I take you on a tour of the U of A's Botanic Garden. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.
There's another one coming. Smaller.
Holy dogs.